Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this is the first one for the new year 2019, so I hope you did have good holidays and I hope the best for you and your family. And let's go back to our painting. This year we're starting the new year with a transfer or a dipping. I like doing dipping because I think it's even more surprising than when we do pouring or even a flip cup. It's always a surprise when you do fluid painting, but especially when you do dipping, you have a little bit more control. But the fact that you do it, well, like I'm gonna do it on two canvas. So I'm gonna pour my acrylic. I'm gonna try and do something specific, a little bit like a degradation between yellow and going back to white. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna put over it my second canvas. So we'll see what happens. Like I said, I always like this technique, so let's go and try it and we'll talk at the end. So guys, again, I think we just proved the fact that doing dipping like this is one of the best technique which is in the family of fluid painting. I think that's the best way to go. I think I love it because we create kind of a two similar canvas, but not quite the same. I think it's the best way to go at it without a brush, and I think it's the best way. Like you saw, I just put some Floetrol and some water in my acrylic. I think the mix with the color, instead of using black like I always do or often do to define the between the line and the colors, I did use some other more blackened color, but not black. So I think it did the job. I think it's very nice. I think it's a soft painting, you know. It's not aggressive, it's very soft and it's very nice, so I think it's gonna look nice on the wall. I hope you did enjoy it. I hope you're gonna try it, because I think, like I said, when you do a dipping with a wax paper, it does the job, and it does a real good job. But I think that the transfer, which I call the transfer, the dipping this way, I like it even more, since we create two almost identical painting, which is very nice, and it's a nice abstract. You cannot reproduce that kind of painting with a brush, that's for sure. And I think it's more defined. There's more defined line. I think it's very interesting. I hope you like it. I hope you're gonna try it, because like I said, it's very interesting. It's not quite what I wanted to do, because like always I did put a little bit too much acrylic on my canvas, so I had to get rid of some because it was too thick. It was crazy, but the fact that I did this, it wasn't quite what I wanted, but either way the result is very nice. I hope you like it, and like always, please, I hope you're gonna come back. Thanks for being here, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care. Bye.